Hello, my name is Harold. This is Tech on Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to install Firefox in Windows 11. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a browser. Now, I have Google Chrome installed, but let's just assume you don't have a browser at the moment, and let's just use Microsoft Edge. What we're going to do is we're actually just going to go, well, we could do a search on the top here and just type in Firefox, but tell you, let's just go to google.com. Here, switch this out real quick. That way, no matter what browser you're using, this is going to be the exact same. We'll go ahead and we'll type in Firefox download. We'll go ahead and hit the first link here. It's a download Firefox browser from Mozilla. That's the company that makes it. So that looks good. All right, let's go ahead. Let's blow that up a little bit. And let's go ahead and download Firefox. Give that just a second. It should automatically pop up with the downloading. And it is. Now, as usual, if you don't see it pop up over here on the top right hand side and you can't click on it, just know that almost all browsers automatically download directly to the download folder here. So all you gotta do is navigate to the download folder, go to it, and then just double click or double left click in order to open it. All right, let's go ahead and close that. All right, it says now installing. This is a pretty quick and easy installation to get into. Let's go ahead and give it a couple of seconds and let it do its install. And I'll check back with you in just a second. All right, after it finished installing, or once it reached the end of that link there, it automatically just disappeared. Sadly, I didn't catch it, but that is totally okay. Now, once it was done, oh, ignore that. There we go. All right, move this just a little bit. All right, once it was finished, it totally just automatically opened it up. The other thing it did is it created a shortcut right here on the desktop to be able to open it in the future. And real quick, let's go over here. Let's take a quick look and see what we can do. Same with Chrome. Same with Edge. You've got, when you click over here on the three lines, you've got access to your bookmarks. You've got access to your history, which of course there isn't anything in here because I haven't done anything. You've also got the ability to sign in, which is something that's a really good idea because generally what that will do is it will save everything online. So if I go to install this on another computer and sign in, it will bring all my settings and my history and my bookmarks all back again, so that you have access to all this. This is especially useful when you have passwords and stuff like that that you type in and you save, because these password managers will generally back that up and download that too. So highly recommended. Go in, create an account, sign up. In fact, let's take a look at it real quick and see what kind of an account it wants. Looks like it just requires a standard email address, so should be fine with Yahoo, Google, and stuff like that. I will leave that for you guys to explore, but that is pretty much it. You've got access to everything over here. You've got an ability to back it up online. A lot of this stuff is the same as Google Chrome, where you can open up multiple different copies of browser or the browser and stuff like that. Although I admit there are some plugins and stuff like that that you can't get like you can on Chrome. So it's actually not too bad. It has add-ons and themes and stuff like that you can do. So that said, that was pretty much it. Just a quick and easy install. Didn't take hardly any time at all. It popped up with that box that said installing. Once that box went all the way to the end, it disappeared. It opened up the browser and put a link on the desktop, and that is pretty much it. As usual, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Otherwise, have a great rest of the day.